Hello friends, I am Arnav and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to tell you all the important things of Scratch as I had said in video 1. So let us start. So first I'll show you the online editor. So just type scratch mit.edu and you would be directed to the Scratch online place. So now I'm just signing out of my account here. So as you come, you'll see something like this. So you could join Scratch. I'm just showing up a small tutorial of joining Scratch. Now it would give you some steps and you need to make it. Let me go back now. Here you could see the featured projects. Every day a new featured project comes. Featured studios, and here is some advertising those peoples. Here SDS Scratch Design Studio. Mostly every month Scratch decides a new studio, a new idea, and people need to make that same idea project. Now it's not compulsory to make a project, but it is optional. Maybe you come on the front page. Really. So I had created a project and it actually came and I became really popular in this. What our community is loving, what our community is remixing. So what is remixing over here? So I'm just opening up a random project. Like I go the living room. Now after seeing the project, you could remix that same project. For now, I have not signed in. So, after signing in, I'll get a small thing as a remix. If you see the project and you want to make it more cooler, like this is the project. After this, I found some errors or something. So, I would remix it. Like this, other people have remixed it too. And studios. I'll tell you how to make a studio now. So first I would come to my account. Done. Now after coming to my account, I would show you the studios. So if you want to make up a studio, so you need to click this new studio button. Now I would delete the studio after I make it. So here you keep any description of your studio, your comments of the studio, creators. In the creators tab, you allow people to create something in it. So if I come here, so please don't click this. If you don't have a project as, add any projects. And those are the worst studios ever. So creators and the activity. You could follow it and you could see make edits to title of description, those are things. Here is the title, so I would just change it. It's done. Let's see. Done. And add projects. Here is my projects tab and I could add any of my projects. Now let me just go and delete this. So where do you delete a thing? Actually you can't, or maybe you can. Like go to studios and delete it. Done. Let's go to my profile. So over here, after your account is done, you can go to your profile where all your shared projects could be seen. The projects you loved and faved, and studios I am following. So these are some of my studios that I have, in which I am the creator or I have created it. and here are the following. So this is totally like following and followers. So if I go to someone's profile, so I could see this follow button in which I get to know every activity the person did. Let me go here back. You can follow and unfollow again and again. F for F. This is one of the things never do. When you are really popular, many people would do that F for F. It means follow to get a follow. If you follow that person, he would get a follow. The same person will get a follow. Like if I follow this person, if he commented or her commented F for F here. So she is saying that I need to follow her so that she follows me and never accept those. You could, but Scratch hates it. Messages tab. Here you could see all your messages. If someone has commented to you, if someone has clicked on it, those things. So here is one thing. Okay. Now my profile, my stuff, those are things done. Now let me show you the offline editor. After some things. In April Fool's Day, Scratch gives some madness around all. So that is really funny, and do see these featured projects. These are really good projects from which you get ideas and those are things. Featured studios. This is some advertising in which you come in front page. So this was one of my project which had came on front page. Let me just show you. So instructions. You need to keep instructions and notes and credits. These are really important. Your projects could even get like reported. And when you become famous, so this is the worst thing that I hate. The add any projects and add everything. That is really bad. I hate those people. Okay, so now let me show you work in progress tab. About me, what I'm working on, you could do it by yourself. I come here, change featured project. So now I could put my featured projects which had came on front page. This is my work in progress label and what I'm working on. So I was actually creating another series called Theories. Okay, so let us stick to the subject. Scratch. Okay, so Scratch, Imagine, Program, Share, Data String, Create, Explode, Download. So take Scratch version 3. Scratch version 2 has expired. Scratch version 3 is the most recent version. So do take that once. Let me show you the offline edit. So this is the offline editor. So I am even telling you those coding things which you need to know. This is the stage where your all the codes output comes. So you could go and use full screen, this and this. So when you are coding, so you could do this. And if you want to test the outputs while coding, so as you have started, I prefer you to use this mode. This is the blocks palette. You could scroll through it from here. This is the extension tab where you could add another things which makes your project cooler. So I would be first telling you music, pen and video settings. video sensing, and text to speech. These keys would come later. Maybe even translate and makey. Okay, now this is the backdrop stage, this is the sprite stage. For more details for this, you could go to my session 1 of Scratch. Over there I have kept, but I'm showing it here. So this is the filters. You could upload yours, a surprise, a random ones, and you could even make your own. This is the sprite name, the x coordinates, y coordinates, it is visible or not, size, and which direction it is facing on. This is the sprites tab, and for backdrops it is here. Sounds, you could record anything from this. So if you are creating animations, so sound is really needed. Do not use text to speech if you are not a beginner. Okay, that was for today. Bye, have a great day. And if you want to learn some tutorials or want some ideas, so just click on this tab and you'll get some. Do take them after a session is completed. I would tell you which session relates to which. Bye for now. Thank you.